first step you're going to do is you're going to come to your thermostat. You're going to turn it off.
First step, turn off thermostat.
Turn everything off. You want to turn your heat off, cool off. Second thing you're going to do when you're changing the filter, you're going to come lift up on this door. Some doors have little screws right here. You might have to unscrew those.
Lift up on door.
We'll come back to this door. This door you lift up as well. You'll see everything's cut off. And if you check right here, this is where your filter is going to be. Some units have a filter rack that's on the side. Some of them have them built in. And all you do is reach in here, push back, pull your filter out. And then when you go to change it, same thing. Put it in there, push it into the slot, and then just set your doors back on. When you hear that click, you got to make sure these doors get on there good, because if they're not on there, they don't hold this button down and it won't start up. Put your front door on, come back to your thermostat, engage your cool, turn your fan on, and you're good to go.